everyone, and welcome back again. So today is July the 14th, I think. We're going to have a walk around the garden and see what we can harvest today. A few bits that I want to get pulled out, shallots. There's a couple of cauliflowers there that need to come out, and I'm sure we can find a few other bits and bobs to harvest. Bobby, what are you doing? I thought Daddy told you to leave that grass in a nice pile there. Well, definitely looks like I'm going to be raking up the grass again. Right, so first thing we're going to have a look at are these shallots over here. The ones in the old shopping baskets, these were planted out a lot later than the other lot of shallots in big bed, and started off in cell trays and kept inside until spring. And these ones have done a lot better than the other ones. The other ones didn't really do anything at all. Had really bad weather and it didn't do them any justice. But these ones seem to have done okay. There's some decent sized ones in there. But they've all flopped over, which means that they're ready for harvesting. So we'll get these pulled out and we'll have a better look at them. Right then, so these were the Jamor shallots, saved from last year's harvest, which was saved from the year before's harvest. They don't look too bad from a single one. Bearing in mind, they're probably all smaller than that, the ones that I planted. A few small ones there. Big snail. But yeah, all the ones in the other bed were either really small or just rotted away due to all the bad weather. Even got a potato in there that looks like a Picasso. Brilliant. Might be a few more in there. Tiny baby potato. Definitely give them another go in these baskets. Seems to have done a lot better in here, as did the garlic. There's decent depth in them for the roots. As you can see, the roots do reach the bottom of the basket, so they do need that space. Easy to maintain, move them about if need to. Plenty of drainage holes. one down. I'll get this other one done and show you what we've got in the end. Right then, so out of those two baskets, not particularly bad. There's some nice sized ones there. From two shopping baskets, that's quite a good result, I think. And we even got bonus little potato there. So what I'll do is leave what's in there, add some more feed and plant a couple more potatoes in those. Might actually put some of the cuttings from a single seed potato challenge in them. So have a look, see what else we can find. So I am going to be harvesting a bucket of potatoes, but we'll do that at the end of the video. So next thing I'm going to pick these two cauliflowers, quite decent size. This one looks like it's been eaten there. There'll be a few bits that we can salvage off that. And this one is just starting to fill out. So we'll get these two picked. There's a couple more shallots there as well. I'll get them picked. And if you haven't already, guys, please do consider hitting that subscribe button, because like 60% of people that watch videos aren't subscribed. So don't know what you're waiting for. Button's down there in the bottom corner. I'm glad we're picking that one today. That's not a bad size. Quite happy with that one. The other one probably should have picked a few days ago. Oh, thank you. Should we put it in the basket? Yeah, we'll give it a clean after. Lost me. Might as well just pull these out. Get the rest of these shallots. You know, because of things like that, I'm glad that I tried doing them in them baskets. So at least if one way fails, you got a backup. Not all is lost. Right, so a bit more space in that bed now. We can get a few more bits planted out.
Daddy?
Yes, mate. Yeah, mate. Where's your shovel? I don't know. Where did you put it? What else can we pick?
A shovel.
We need some potatoes. Should we do the potatoes? Should we do the potatoes now? Yeah. Right then, guys. So, time for everybody's favourite part. Potato reveal. What we're going to do is one of these up here. The foliage is all died off on. See, one stem, so there's one plant in here, and also planted an onion, which it's not reached a very decent size, but unfortunately this foliage just died right back. And that's the next one that's going, so got a small onion. So these are Picasso. Just pull the arms off there. There'd have only been one seed potato planted in here. And the reason I only put one seed potato in is because you end up getting larger potatoes, which for us is definitely better. Right, not too bad at all. Some nice, decent sized potatoes there. That'll do us for a couple of days. So that's from a single seed, probably that size, and planted into a 30-litre container. All I ever really add is organic potato fertiliser and fish blood and bone. Sometimes I'll add some chicken manure pellets, but that is all that these have had. Not bad at all. Can you look at the size of that potato? It's a thumbnail clip right there. But yeah, very happy with that. So I think we can end the video there, guys. Not a bad little harvest. I'll put it all together and show a little clip. But please do hit that subscribe button. So there we go. Not a bad little haul for the day. Shallots, potatoes, cauliflower, a few more shallots. And I do need to pick some rhubarb, but I'll do that off camera. Right then, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.